Now, let us take a look at mobile marketing. Mobile marketing is an effective way to promote products or services, enhance customer loyalty, increase sales, and create brand awareness of an organization. Mobile marketing provides an opportunity to both the SMS-enabled phones and the smartphones with robust browsers and app capabilities, thereby represents a huge opportunity for marketers looking to reach their end users. How effective is mobile marketing? Mobile marketing produces more results more quickly than any other marketing channel. The 50% of all mobile searches lead to a purchase. Overall, around 46% of consumers probably won't return to a web page that didn't load properly on their mobile device the first time. The mobile coupons get 10 times the redemption rate compared to traditional coupons. The smartphone users have their phone within an arm's reach always. About 70% of mobile users welcome mobile ads. Search results in action within an hour, and this leads to action within a month. All these mobile searches lead to phone calls. The average response time to an email is 90 minutes, and the average response time to a text message is 90 seconds. Mobile internet usage is expected to overtake desktop internet usage. Moving further, let us take a look at the different types of advertising via mobile. The different types of mobile advertising offers a more engaging experience. SMS advertising is also known as texting, where the advertisers can send relevant marketing messages in the form of texts to the customers. MMS is a multimedia message service that utilizes multiple rich media elements such as images, video, and audio to convey the marketing message. The ads can be hosted on mobile applications within the application design and logic. The applications comprise of managed platforms, virtual machines, native applications, and widgets. Bluetooth wireless proximity-based marketing works like a local TV advertising on cable or network channels where a customer in a particular location will be served custom ads for that area. The location-based marketing delivers multimedia directly to the user of a mobile device dependent upon their location via GPS technology. QR codes ads allows the customers to quickly learn more about the business by visiting a mobile version of the business page on a mobile phone that is enabled to scan the barcode. Pay-per-call or click-to-call is a form of mobile advertising that generates a billable event only when the reader of the ad makes a phone call. This ad contains a contact number so that the customer can select and call instantly from their cell phone. In voice marketing, the voice broadcasting calls the numbers from the computer-managed list and plays a pre-recorded message to the customer. Mobile banner ads are similar to the banner ads for desktop web pages, but smaller to fit on mobile screens and run on the mobile content network. Shown here are some of the mobile ads samples.